Have you ever heard of derived demand? It's a crucial concept in economics that affects our daily lives. Derived demand occurs when the demand for one good or service is dependent on the demand for another. For example, the demand for steel is derived from the demand for construction. Another example is the demand for labor. It's derived from the demand for goods and services that the labor produces. So why does this matter? Understanding derived demand helps us predict changes in the market and make informed decisions. According to Investopedia, derived demand can also lead to price fluctuations in the market. For instance, if there's a decrease in demand for a product, the demand for derived products will also decrease. So, next time you're making a purchasing decision, keep derived demand in mind. It could help you make a more informed choice.